in first segment, he traveled 30 kilometers. No, 30 kilometers. And in the second, he traveled 50 kilometers. Okay? His total riding time was 3 hours. Okay? If his speed was 10 kilometers per hour slower in the second segment compared to the first segment, what was his speed during the first segment? Okay? So, ganito na ha. Ayun yung mga meron tayo. Tapos, dito, ano ba tinatanong natin muna? Okay? What was his speed during the first segment? So, ang hinahanap natin doon, yung speed niya, gawin nating X sa first segment. Okay? So, dito, kung gagawin